Good morning, everyone. Those were my supplies from the Hurricane Michael when the FEMA and Homeland Security guys came. But I got me, let me see, oh there it is. I got me another lockpick glued up, and she's waiting to dry. You see how she looks now. Let me see if I can turn on some light here. Some of you is asking how I shape my hooks. There it is. And it's still pretty tacky. It'll be another couple of hours before I can actually grind it and make it right. So you see how nasty it looks now, but in about 2 or 3 days, man, it'll be awesome. I do believe, though, that the hook is a bit too deep. I think right now it's about 140. I might have to grind it down to about 125, but it's all good, man. And let me see here. Yeah, there it is. See all the fresh glue on there? You see right there? See all them ripples right there? Y'all know what kind of steel that is, right? Leave in the comments if you know what kind of steel that is. Now, we all know that if you look at a saw blade, that's the hint. You see them long grooves in the steel? Let me see here if I can get it to focus. You see all the long grooves in the steel? That means that the strength is lineal. And that's exactly what you're looking for in a pick, is lineal strength. You want lineal strength so that when you push up and down on the pins, there is no springy shit. And I don't have any gun out here with me today. I left it in the house because I haven't had any visitors in probably 4 weeks now, maybe 3 weeks, something like that. Nobody wants to steal nothing from me anymore, which is good. Oh, let me turn that music off before I get my video turned off. Let's see what my dog is into here. Is there a rattlesnake there, baby? We found one this morning, a nice rattlesnake. I don't guess that's she. There she is. Nah, there ain't no snake there. But anyway, I just wanted to say good morning. And that's a very short video. And we'll get to shaping it here probably tomorrow sometime. Anyway, y'all be safe, man. That shit's spreading like wildfire. Happy camping.